Good day, ma'am. This is Apronio Junior Blas Akabali Section A. This is my video presentation in Chemistry, Lesson 5. Distinguish and describe the four pieces of matter. Provide example. Answer. The four pieces of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Now, solid is the matter that has defined shape and volume. The particle in a solid, which is atoms, molecules, and ions, are tightly packed compared to liquids and gases. Now, examples: brick, coin, and iron bar. Liquid, a substance that flows freely but is of constant volume, having a consistency like that of water or oil. Example: oil, blood, water, and milk. Question number 2. What is the difference between physical change and chemical change? Provide 5 examples each. Answer. The difference between physical and chemical changes are: physical changes is a change to a sample of matter in which some properties of the material change. But the identity of the matter does not. Physical change can further be classified as reversible or irreversible. The melted ice cube may be frozen, so melting is a reversible physical change. While chemical changes occur when a substance combines with another to form a new substance called chemical synthesis, or alternatively chemical decomposition into two or more different substances. These processes are called chemical reactions and in general are not reversible except by further chemical reactions. Examples of physical changes are frozen a pan, melting an ice cube, boiling water, mixing and water, breaking a glass. Then, example of chemical changes are burning wood, souring milk, mixing acid and base, digesting food, and cooking fat. Question number 3. Compare and contrast physical properties and chemical properties. Provide 5 examples each. Answer. The comparison of two are physical properties is a characteristic of a substance that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the substance. Physical properties include color, density, hardness, and melting and boiling points. A chemical property describes the ability of a substance to undergo a specific chemical changes. Example of physical properties are color, smell, freezing point, boiling point, and melting point. Example of chemical properties are flammability, toxicity, acidity, reactivity, many types, and heat of combustion. Question number 4. How are intensive and extensive physical properties observed and identified? Answer. The intensive physical properties is a physical quantity whose full value does not depend on the amount of the substance for which it's measured. For example, the temperature of a system in thermal equilibrium is the same as the temperature of any part of it. And the extensive physical properties such as mass and volume depend on the amount of matter being measured. Intensive properties such as density and color do not depend on the amount of the substance present. Physical properties can be measured without changing a substance chemical identity. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. Good day and God bless you always.
Wiggle, wiggle. Like.